Alright, what's good everyone? Welcome to the channel. I got my boy Chris here.
Oh, what's up?
We're shooting a quick video on how to hang up your shoe boxes on the wall.
Like so.
Y'all see the box. Y'all see the box.
Y'all see the box.
So what we're doing today, we're hanging up these shoe boxes on my wall. You can see I got these little sticky strips with Velcro on each side. I got them from Walmart. You got that on the camera, fam? Alright, bless. So, to begin, what you want is a microfiber cloth and rubbing alcohol. It works best, but you don't want to put too much on your wall, just in case like so that the paint doesn't come off. But just keep it light, and then you put it in the area that you want to put your boxes and whatnot. See all I did? 5 sprays. That's all you need. You don't even need that much. But my wall's already white, so it doesn't matter. And wipe it down. Disclaimer, you kids out there, don't inhale that stuff. It's not good for you, alright? Nor do you drink it, alright? Men's are out here trying to get age restricted, but I'm telling you straight, don't do it. Yo, bro.
Yeah. Sorry, I was just checking out the box.
Don't.
Listen to him, man. He's got all the information.
Yo, bro.
Yeah. Sorry, I was just checking out the box.
So I got the strips. What you want to do is split them in half. You need 4 of them, by the way, because you're gonna stick them together. You'll see. You'll see. What you want to do here is take your Velcro strips and put them together, so it saves you a bit of time and struggle effort later on down the road. Want to do it for both of them.
Just so that it lines up perfectly every time when you put it on the wall.
Yeah.
It helps, definitely. And this is
Yeah.
why we need it for.
So you want to wipe off the back of your shoebox too, in case there's any dust on it from it being in the store or whatnot. And now just rip off one side of the sticky solution. Line it up with your box. Doesn't really matter how the back is, but you wanna put it at a reasonable spot. Wider base, the more heavy load it can hold.
More surface area. Right? Is that I don't know, I didn't try
I think so.
Is that science?
We got this smart guy behind the camera, so like,
Oh no.
it's all good.
Computer programmer.
If he says anything, don't listen to him still. It's quiet now, but see how I did that one? You can just eyeball it, you don't need any measurements.
As you can see, both of these aren't perfect, but
It'll get the job done.
exactly.
So, disclaimer, for heavier boxes like this one, the Timberland box, you might want to use a bit more of the strips, so that way it doesn't fall while it's on the wall.
It's a lot bigger.
More
you know.
strips will be able to hold more weight.
More
you know,
surface area,
for
more
you,
strength,
for you little ones
more
out there.
gains.
You know, we got you. We know common sense ain't so common out there. You know,
Exactly.
us Canadians, we like to think we're bright. We're not all bright.
Not all.
Not everyone can be like us.
Especially when it comes to driving. Especially.
Yeah, let me say that for another day.
Especially when it comes to driving. Especially.
Okay, so I'm trying to rip off these strips. Bear with me because I'm gonna be quite honest with you. They're not the easiest to get off if you don't got nails, but oh my, bro, I just ripped it off and put it back. See this? You don't need any more. Get rid of it.
So now the spot that we just cleaned off, we're now going to apply the box. Put it down a bit lower. There you go. Having a friend also helps out. You know, you got an extra set of eyes.
Does it
two
look straight?
opinions. Yeah, it looks about straight to me.
And then open up your box and just press on the inside. So that way you know it's actually gonna stick to the wall and not fall off. Especially if you want to put shoes inside there. It's a key step to press on the inside. So that way you don't run into any issues. And then also, for some boxes, the top may kind of like, well, not the top. The cover may kind of flap a bit. If you want, you could tape it, but honestly, I'm not gonna tape it because I might put one shoe inside here. and then put one shoe at the top. But for now, that's all we got. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. What you gotta say, Chris?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay.
Comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram. Do what you gotta do.
Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah, man, I'll put it in the description.
Just put it in the description. Everything's in the description.
I don't know if we're nice enough to put in pop tags, but you know, y'all will find out once you watch this video. You're seeing this after we shoot the video, so you already know if I have Instagram or not from earlier in the video. Stop watching me, bro. Like